Got to use RV. Look at Todd. Todd's more interested. They're scared of it. Oh, get it, Todd. Get it, get it, get it. Chase Todd, chase Todd. Not me. Don't go. Don't go after me. 4-wheel drive. There's your 4-wheel drive.
It's only 2-wheel drive.
Look at Todd. Look at.
No, we don't know what to do with it.
The Kamea is hiding from it. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Bring it over here by Kamea. Oh my! I do not know what to do with this. Chase Vixen. Give Vixen. Go get Vixen. Go get Vixen. Go get Vixen. She'll. I don't want any dough. I don't want to mess with that. Leave it alone. Keep it away. What do you have, Vixen? Are you what? Egg, Vixen.
Eating snow.
Snow. Egg.
Poop. Oops. Oh, I thought there was a dog all the way up here. I thought that was a dog. You know, I'm gonna have to edit this.
Why?
Is it so shaky?
No.
Oh, it even says SWAT on it. Oh, no, it doesn't. Never mind, no. Get it, Todd. Get him. Get it. Get it, Todd. Get it. Just don't break it. This is a new toy.
Don't break it, Todd.
What?
Don't break it, Todd.
Please don't. Let's just hope Todd doesn't bite it. He doesn't know what to do with it. He's like, what do you want?
He's following it around.
Oh, it's gonna get me! Oh, we should. Oh, I'm gonna show this Captain Larry. The footage of Captain Larry.
Yeah.
Maybe. Oh, there's a snowball there. Yeah. Hey, Todd.
They think you threw it for to fetch it.
Put it right back where it was. What was that?
Whoa.
Dun 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 dun. Oop! Stop getting it stuck. Don't pay. Look, Brovy has no clue what to do with it. Andrew, you gotta move. Brovy has no clue. He's like, what do I do with this? It's funny. The first thing you want.
Ran from it.
Ah, it's gonna eat me. Can't leave it out too long or Kamea will start attacking it.
Yeah, no.
Oh, this will be fun out in the summer with these dogs.
Oh,
They
yeah.
go fast.
Fast.
That's the fastest it goes because it's on snow.
It goes faster out there.
It goes dry. It goes on land faster. With all the bumps and so it's icy.
Go taste it.
Go get it, Kamea. Go get it. Go get it, Todd. Todd, go get it. Go get it. Todd, go get it. No. Fine.
No.
Hey. Car being a good girl. Car, go get it. Go get it, Romeo. Romeo, go get it. Get it, Todd. Over there. Oh, God. Those things can go fast. We're out in snow. Oh, oh, ow. Don't you love Aunt Becky right now? Oh, it's coming from me. It's going after me, I know it. It's coming after me.
If we had $1,000, we could have got a 4-wheeler. There was a 4-wheeler on 509 Trading Post.
Yeah?
For $1,000, it had no title.
Well, we can still drive it around.
Plow. It had plow on it too. It had snow plow.
We can still drive it around.
Yeah.
You got it stuck again. Wait. I'm gonna love doing that. Yeah, some people want Yorkies. Oh yeah, you got something to say. You got something to say. I don't think so. Oh, the four-wheeler would have been fun chasing these dogs around. No, I'm playing around. Too big. Hook the dogs up to a four-wheeler. That way we control how fast we go.
1400.
What?
They went 1400 for it.
1400 is not that bad.
1,400.
Well, if cars, puppies would come faster, we would have it.
You couldn't drive it on the street because it's not legal.
Well, we could drive it around
titles.
here where there's
Yeah,
no...
no. We could drive it around here. That would have been fun.
I know.
But we didn't. We just spent all our money now.
You should try to drive it on an icy lake.
No.
There is no icy lake.
Or frozen lake.
We're
There is
definitely...
no frozen lakes.
Not around here.
No, there is.
That isn't frozen. It's moving water under it. It doesn't freeze.
When it's moving water, it don't freeze at all. Believe it or not.
Oh,
If it's standing still, it might freeze, but
but it hasn't been doing that.
yeah, but there's no.
You get stuck again. Oh.
No, I got